Welcome investors! Today we'll be talking about price of energy fuel going to 100 and up. So before I do this, I want to tell you that I'm not a financial professional, and please don't make any financial decisions based on the video which you are watching right now. This is strictly for informational purpose. So this video is inspired by the user Think and Grow Up. He was talking with me in the comments about energy fuels going to 100 and up. I said that the price can go up to 100 and more, and he responded that he thinks that this is unlikely that the price will go to 100 and up. Last uranium market was very different, he is saying. There was no Kazakh supply, I believe. You can't expect it to be like the last bubble. I think stocks in general are very strange and different. If this was easy, then we would all be rich. It is not a straightforward game, and the uranium market is an old market. The hype has already came and gone, a few times at least. Bio stocks maybe, and the pot stocks, crypto are, I think, much newer industries. I hope there is an improved market in the resource sector. That is what I hope for. So, user Think and Grow Up, you're right. I agree with you to a certain extent. I agree with this, what you said, that the previous bull market was different. There's never two the same situations repeating in economy. Right now, of course, completely different situation. And of course, like you said, there was no Kazatomprom back then, which is right now supplying 40% of uranium for all worldwide power plants. But there's a couple different factors right now which I would like to point to you. First of all, on December 4, 2020, US Senate approved the uranium reserve bill. What does this mean, especially for US producers like energy fuels? This bill says that the US nuclear power plants can buy only uranium from approved companies, approved by Department of Energy. So basically, all the rest of the uranium producers, especially from former Russian republics, Kazatomprom, Kazakhstan is a former Russian republic, and from China are cut off. So this is a huge boost in the future for energy fuels. Another thing is that within next 2 years, long-term contracts for uranium are expiring, and there has to be renewal of those contracts, and most of the US power plants will come to the companies like Energy Fuels to buy more uranium. So this is also again extra additional wind into the sale of Energy Fuels company. Another factor which I would like to mention is that as of right now, 2020, there is 50 new nuclear power plants planned all over the world, which are in plans for building. We did not have this during last uranium bull. There was proportionately less nuclear power plants. Of course, you can say that more is being shut down right now, but at the same time, new are being built. So all those factors, like I said, the reserve bill signed up by the Senate, and new power plants being built, and a renewal of the long-term contracts, which is coming in 2021 and 22, in my view, is gonna push the prices of uranium up, because there will be more demand and supply is down, because Cameco, one of the biggest producers in the world, second actually, the biggest producer in the world, in last year shut down two of his biggest uranium mines, McArthur River and the Cigar Lake. So take this into consideration. This is not the same time, you're right, not like 10 years ago. We are in a different situation, but this different situation has different factors playing. And I think those different factors are going to cause that we will have eventually big uranium bull. We will see. We will see. It's not like I want to say that this will happen 100%, that Energy Fuels shares are gonna go up to 100 or 200. I would be extremely happy if they go to 234 like they went in 2007 because I own 47,000 shares. So that would be woo rodeo. That would be great. But at the same time, I'm ready that this is not gonna happen. And I'm aware of this, that might end up on $50 or $60 or $70. But if it goes to $50, $60, I'm not planning to sell. My goal is to wait and the price, and to see prices going to at least 100, or if I see that there is certain environment for more growth, I'll wait to 150. It is probably much easier to say than done. I might end up losing money, although I don't think that I'll lose because I bought at very low price. So the worst what can happen, I might not make the money because I already did my stop loss, which is low price. That's my stop loss. Buy for low, very low price. Then you don't have to set the price for stop loss. So I just let this ride. And as of right now, couple months, I started buying in July, August, September, and I think October. It's probably like around 60% up. I'm not checking this every day because it's not my strategy, and it's not the type, not my type to focus constantly on the stocks which I own. User, think and grow up. Please let me know if you agree or disagree with me. Write this down in the comments section below and let me know. What I want to stress again is that we can learn a lot from history. What I mean by this, on average in stock market and economy, every 10 years we have huge downturn, like we have in 2000 dot-com bubble. Boom, stocks went drastically down, a lot of companies belly up, billions of dollars lost. Then 2008, boom, another subprime, another crisis, subprime mortgage, no one expected, stocks drastically down, billions of dollars or euros or any currency around the world were lost. And now 2020 March, boom, health crisis related to the virus. Stock market for 2 weeks down. People are thinking that's the end of the world. It was not the end of the world. Eventually investors thought that this was the end of the world, but it was not. Stock recovered. Whoever was strong enough, strong-minded, contrarian investors, they bought in March, April, May. They bought for great prices. I bought it. I got Wells Fargo for around 23, 24. Now it's 29. Not a huge gain, but it is a gain. It is a gain. I bought Waste Management. Also, I'm up around 15-20%. Not a huge gain, but I got it. I got Royal Caribbean. Royal Caribbean is more than 100% up for me. I'm happy. I got Norwegian Cruise Line, small holdings. Boom, take a look at this. It's more than 100 up. So what I'm trying to say, I'm trying to do parallel between regular, I would say, conventional stock market going down every 10 years and between the uranium market. Of course, many different factors playing, but also on average every 10 years there is some kind of disaster. 1986 Chernobyl, 2011 Fukushima. Of course, it's not every 10 years, but there is a fluctuation in the uranium market. Uranium market is not very old, like you said. It's a young market. It's 75 years old market. Practically, this market was created in 1945 until now, 2020. So it's a young market. So it's not like every 10 years there will be bull and a bear market, which you can expect. But there is a fluctuation of the price, and as of right now we are down. So if you buy when the price is down, there's probably only one way where you can expect the price going. It's only up. Only up. And that's what is happening right now, and that's what prompted me to buy in in July and August and I think September, my Energy Fuel shares and Cameco, and they only went up as of right now. This is it for today. Please let me know what you think about this. If you found any value in this video, please hit the thumb up, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, because I know a lot of people are not subscribers. So please help me to build this channel and subscribe. I greatly appreciate your subscription and being here. Thank you so much again for watching and spending time with me, and have a great day. Stay healthy and well.